Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about, XRP as well as XRP's price predictions. And yeah, without any further ado, like, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Now, to tell you a bit on XRP, I'm going to hand this straight over right now to Ryan, and he's going to do a proper explanation of XRP.
What is XRP? To begin with, it's important to understand the difference between XRP, Ripple and RippleNet. XRP is the currency that runs on a digital payment platform called RippleNet, which is on top of a distributed ledger database called XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is run by a company called Ripple, the XRP Ledger is open source and is not based on blockchain, but rather the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The RippleNet payment platform is a real-time gross settlement (RTGS) system that aims to enable instant monetary transactions globally. While XRP is the cryptocurrency native to the XRP ledger, you can actually use any currency to transact on the platform. While the idea behind the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, it wasn't until Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson took over the project in 2012 that Ripple began to be built. At the time, it was also called OpenCoin.
Ryan will now explain the XRP price live data for the past 24 hours.
XRP price live data. The live XRP price today is $1.56 with a 24-hour trading volume of $6,801,389,778 USD. XRP is down 0.82% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 4, with a live market cap of $70,959,512,177 USD. It has a circulating supply of 45,404,028,640 XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. If you would like to know where to buy XRP, the top exchanges for trading in XRP are currently Binance, Huobi Global, OKX, ZG.com, and Upbit. How does XRP work? XRP was created by Ripple to be a speedy, less costly and more scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing monetary payment platforms like SWIFT. RippleNet's ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, with Ripple the company as an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions roughly every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validator nodes come to a consensus on both the order and validity of XRP transactions, as opposed to proof-of-work mining like Bitcoin. Anyone can be a Ripple validator, and the list is currently made up of Ripple along with universities, financial institutions and others.
Now here are the price predictions for Ripple in 2021. According to the predictions, the price of Ripple XRP could reach anything between $1.87 and $4 over the course of 2021. Although digital coin price expect to see a series of peaks and troughs, it does not expect the price to fall below $2, a huge improvement on its prediction back at the start of March. Will the price of Ripple go up in 2021? According to the digital coin price, the price of XRP will go up in 2021, rising to heights of $1.50 to $1.90. Additional price predictions for XRP in 2021 include, I'll leave this to Ryan.
Provisiony Bitcoin, 4.2398 for dollars. Trading Beasts, $2.15522. Wallet Investor, $1.289. Coinpedia, $2 to $5. Ripple News, $2.30.
So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video and you grabbed something beneficial out of it. So make sure to like, make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. And if you have a comment, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section and I will get right back to you.